Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Pabbly and ConvertKit. It's really easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Let's get started. First, go to Pabbly and open Settings. Next, navigate to the Connections tab and click on Add New Connection. In the search bar, type ConvertKit and select it. Now, give your connection a name and then enter your ConvertKit API key and secret API key. To get these keys, log into your ConvertKit account. Go to the top right corner, click on Settings, then scroll down and click on Developer. Copy your API key first and paste it into Pabbly. Then go back and copy the secret API key and paste it in as well. Once both keys are entered, click Save and you're done. Your Pabbly and ConvertKit integration is now complete. Thanks for watching.